Welcome to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63, the ultimate blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. This flagship SUV is redefining what it means to travel in style and power. Design, commanding presence. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63 boasts a muscular design that commands attention. Its aggressive Panamera grille, large air intakes, and sleek LED headlights create a bold first impression. The 23-inch alloy wheels and quad exhausts further emphasize its sporty demeanor, while the elegant chrome accents remind you of its luxury pedigree. Engine and performance, power unleashed. Under the hood lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering a staggering 603 horsepower and 627 pounds-to-foot of torque. Paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system for added efficiency, this beast accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds. The AMG-tuned 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive ensures exceptional grip, while the air suspension provides a perfect balance between sporty handling and ride comfort. Interior, first-class experience. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that oozes opulence. High-quality leather, carbon fiber trim, and customizable ambient lighting set the tone for luxury. The spacious interior offers heated and ventilated seats with massage functions, a Burmester 3D surround sound system, and a panoramic sunroof. The GLE 63 ensures every journey feels like a first-class experience. Technology, cutting-edge features. The 2025 GLE 63 is packed with the latest tech. Its MBUX infotainment system features dual 12.3-inch screens with intuitive voice and gesture controls. The augmented reality navigation system and adaptive cruise control make driving effortless, while advanced safety features like active brake assist and lane keeping aid ensure peace of mind. Versatility, luxury meets practicality. Despite its performance focus, the GLE 63 remains a practical family SUV. With 3 rows of seats, it accommodates up to 7 passengers comfortably. The power-folding third row and ample cargo space make it versatile for long road trips or everyday errands. Verdict: the ultimate luxury SUV. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63 offers the perfect mix of luxury, performance, and practicality. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling winding roads, this SUV delivers an unforgettable experience. For those who demand the best of everything, the GLE 63 is a worthy choice. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63. Stay tuned to Next Gen Reviews for more insights into the latest and greatest in the automotive world.